What's up guys, it's me Packy. I got a 2-ball tote today and I'm gonna try and make the 5-7-10, which is in my mind one of the unluckiest, one of the worst breaks, one of the hardest breaks. Honestly, it's a little embarrassing when you leave one, but I've left probably 2 or 3 in my lifetime, and today I have yet to make one, but hopefully I'm leaving the alley with at least one make. I'm gonna give myself 50 shots at it. I got a 2-ball tote with a Deviate Diamond Diva and a Deviate Scorcher spare ball. So hopefully one of those two is gonna make it. I told myself, no matter what, I'm not resorting to the 6-pound slow hook across the lane. I'm not doing it. Let's get to trying making this 5-7-10. And as always, guys, we're trying to get to 60K subscribers. Hit that sub button. Follow along for more fun videos like this. Oh, that's so bad. So emotionally invested into every single one of these shots. It's exhausting. You just gotta make it once. This shot might be harder than the 7-10. You cannot convince me otherwise. I'm gonna have to do what I said I wouldn't, and that's throw a 6-pound ball. I'm not gonna do it, but I might. Maybe? Oh. Be like really, really slow. I think my next 10 should be like mega slow. Like try and curve it, touch them all. Oh, that's so bad. I mean, if you said really, really slow, here we go. I'm gonna try and touch every single one of these pins, all 3 of them. I feel like I need to just 90 degrees of rotation. The backspin. I thought that had a better chance to like, woo! Ah! It just feels so much closer than it is. I know it's not. So emotionally invested into every single one of these shots. It's exhausting. Oh my God, maybe. I think I'm gonna move more to the right, try and get a little deeper angle, really ship it to the left. I'm aiming at 2, I don't think I've hit it yet. Golly, I need to send it to the left. For your guys' sake, for the viewers, I hope I make one. Why not now, right? I'm letting you pick. Camera holder, yes, Madison. Same way? Yeah, okay. You think that's my best chance? Change of game plan. Madison said I should go hard and straight and try and messenger the 5 into the 10 across the deck into the 7. So back to hard and straight. Should I do it with my plastic ball? Here's my theory on the plastic ball. The plastic ball won't lose any speed down lane. It'll, if anything, it'll gain speed. So maybe it'll have a chance to send it across. I don't know. I feel like I'm close with that. Currently sitting 0 for 24. If I don't get a messenger in the next like 5 or 6 shots, I'll switch when it comes to 30. That's my closest one yet. I don't know if it was close. That was so close. That was low effort, bad shot, bad result, throw it into the ground, slip out of your hand, don't wipe the ball off. Excuses, excuses, blah. Did I touch it? I don't know. I'm gonna need a slow motion replay to see if I touched that. It felt close. It felt close. Should I change my strategy? No. A little 1 and 1 left. Another half left. I'm moving another half left. I just needed to do a slightly better job. I'll keep you clean. I'll keep you safe and warm. You just gotta make it once. Too much. I need to cut the 5 just a little bit more so I can get the 10 all the way into the 7. This shot might be harder than the 7-10. You cannot convince me otherwise. I'll throw like 2 more with this one, and if they're as close as the last one, I'll keep doing it till we finish up the 50 here. But if it's not close on the next 2, I'm gonna have to do what I said I wouldn't, and that's throw a 6-pound ball. I'm not gonna do it, but I might. I didn't throw a 6-pound ball, so does it really count? I got a couple more left, gotta make it. Gotta make it. It's a must-have. Ah! It hurts! So I better make one for you. We started off on such a good note. I have 0 career makes at the 5.710 at the beginning of the day, and at the end of the day, still have 0 career makes. Just a bad effort. That's all it was, just a bad effort. Well, guys, maybe I'll get them next time, but until then, hit that subscribe button and help encourage me. Give me some positive thoughts down below in the chat to encourage me to maybe make one of these one day.